Crafty Concoctions. Unleash the magic of candle making with ease. In this beginner's guide to candle making, we will explore the basic steps and techniques you need to create your own candles at home. Candle making can be a fun and rewarding hobby that allows you to unleash your creativity while also creating personalized gifts or decorations for your own space. To start, gather all the necessary materials such as wax, wicks, containers, fragrance oils, and any desired colorants. Melt the wax using a double boiler or microwave method until it reaches the recommended temperature. Next, add your chosen fragrance oil and colorant for a scented and visually appealing candle. Prepare the wick by attaching it to the center of your container and securing it in place using a wick sticker or hot glue. Pour the melted wax into the container, ensuring that the wick remains centered. Finally, allow your candle to cool and set completely before trimming the wick and enjoying its warm glow. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. If you would like more information about candle making, and subscribe to our mailing list for updates and special offers via the link in the description.